Welcome to ToupTek Astro channel. I will introduce you the process of connecting the ATR DSO series camera to an off-axis guider using a 20mm extender. Let's get started. Actually, this method can be used to connect any camera with a threaded interface. First, the ATR DSO camera has these 6 screw holes. The screw holes are in M2.5 specifications. You can connect the camera to the OAG and the extender through these holes. Now, let's open the OAG package. Remove the top foam layer and the OAG is there. This is the OAG X, which features a larger prism and a wider clear aperture. On the other side of the foam, you will find the 20mm extender, along with the hex wrench and 2 types of screws that will be used later for assembly. Opening the packaging, and there are a screwdriver and some screws of different lengths inside. The long screws are used to connect the extender to the camera. The short screws are used to connect the OAG and the extender. Next, we install the extender on the camera. Position the camera sensor in a horizontal and vertical orientation. Then place the extender on top of it. The extender has 2 sides. One side with M54 threads, and the other side with M48 threads. This is the M48 thread, which can be used to install a 2-inch filter. If you are not using our ATR series camera, you can also connect it through this threaded interface on the front of the camera. However, we won't cover the threaded connection method here. Now we have installed the extender on our camera. Next, we need to install the OAG onto the extender. First, you need to remove the 6 screws from the OAG cover. After loosening them, you can take it off. You will find that the inner circle of this OAG also has a ring of screw holes. These screw holes can be used to connect the OAG to the camera and extender with short screws. Please note that the sensor needs to be in a horizontal and vertical position. When installing these 6 screws, I recommend you to use tweezers to replace the screws in their positions before tightening them. This can prevent the small screws from falling into the sensor during installation. Now the OAG X, extender, and ATR camera are all connected. You can see that the OAG prism can now extend and retract freely. Here we need to use a small set screw from the OAG cover. In this position, when installing, remember to loosen this set screw first, counterclockwise. Then tighten all the small screws diagonally. After the 6 screws are in place, you can fix the set screw. When fixing it, push the OAG prism to the appropriate height first. For our OAG X or OAG L, we recommend that you align the edge of the prism with the edge of the adapter. This makes it easier to focus during astrophotography. This way, the OAG, extender, and our camera are all installed together. Now you can see that the OAG prism no longer moves up and down. The set screw doesn't need to be over-tightened. It just needs to be tight enough to hold it in place. This is the content assembly guide for the ToupTek Astro ATR Series camera and extender and OAG. Please follow our official channel and stay updated for more product information and operation guides. Thank you for watching.